Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from a group of three consisting of Lidia Ramadhaniah, Fajar Cahyadi, Sarismia Dwi, and me, Ridlo M Fadli. We will present the influence of visual design or graphic design on a product promotion. Okay, first we talk about graphic design. What is graphic design? Graphic design is form of visual communication that use image to convey information or message as effectively as possible. In graphic design, text is also considered an image because it is the result of abstraction of symbols that can be sounded. Graphic design is applied in communication, design, and fine art. Like other type of design, graphic design can refer to the manufacturing process, the method of designing the product processed by the design, or the disciplines used by the design. Next, Fajar Cahyadi.
Okay, thank you, Mas Rido. Technological developments. The development of communication and information technology brings a new trend in the world of communication industry. The presence of the digital technology and the internet is one of the important things in bringing up multimedia device, such as print media that currently also has a digital version online. This has a significant effect on the change in information flow and communication modes, both in the terms of production, distribution, and consumption. The development of such technology subsequently led to media competition, where all media function collaborate in one media device. Online media can offer its users as a medium that serves as a mean of communication between people. This media can deliver text, graphics, images, audio, video at the same time, and also has a function as a mass media as well as television, radio, newspaper. The ability of online media to distribute news faster, interactively, and right then and there. It is considered mass media at the right condition to expand the reader network and importantly enough to foster loyalty between print and online media. Then design effect in the media. In today's era of globalization, consumerism, advertising activities are very important in the economic and cultural activities of urban communities. This is increasingly including the products of goods or service in people's life. Among many efforts to convey the message or promotion of goods and service to the audience through the mass media, on which stands out is the media in the format called advertising.
Thank you, Fajar. Next, advertisements are created in such a way with the intention to influence in a favorable way the thought and feeling of the public for a business or company. Actually, advertising has an important function that is in the sense of trying to have potential customers for certain companies and business. This advertising business is greatly improved because it is currently a form of promotion or an effort to communicate with others that we cannot directly meet. Is very necessary, and with a print media advertisement, promotion is likely to be more social or a large target audience. An advertisement cannot be spared from a format called graphic design. Graphic design is the main element in an advertising. Graphic design can also be called a visual design, namely an effort to communicate in a visual way or activities of compassing and organizing elements such as color tones, texture, element, shapes, and space, so that it becomes an artistic composition, aesthetic, and harmony as an effort to communicate. Although the activity of designing itself has been done by people since human life in the world, but the activities of designing basically began as a refiner of the appearance of a work that still looks though rigid, originally functioning. Therefore, the work are the affixed with ornaments to look more beautiful. If we see advertisement containing packaging or packaging of bread, cookies, instant noodle, or magazine that are full of various kinds of promotional prints, then we see the logo of a bank, hotel, airplane, and so on. All of them are the result of some work of visual communication design, or commonly called graphic design. And now that the competitive situation in the market is getting sharper, aesthetic can serve as a very powerful emotional trap to attract buyer to consumer. Product fight are no longer limited to quality excellence or advanced technology alone, but also an effort to gain added value to provide emotional benefit to consumer. One of the efforts that be taken to deal with it is through product design. Next, Lydia.
Okay, thank you, Sarismia. The attractiveness of a product cannot be separated from the packaging because the packaging is the main trigger that directly dealing with consumer. Therefore, packaging should be able to influence consumer to give a positive response, namely buying products. Products packaging design does hold a significant influence in an effort to attract buyers and increases sales of a product. That's why today business people should start paying attention to packaging to increase the selling value, especially if a product in the market are increasing in number and type, so that it requires differentiation between one product and another. One of the differentiators in question is the packaging and design. The product design must be adjusted to the target market to be sold. Each customer class has its own characteristic, starting from shapes, color, graphic, brand, illustration, letters, and design layout will be different in each customer class. That's why the packaging design should be customized. A good packaging design of a product must be decipherable and understood by customer only through the visual design. Conclusion: communication and information technology bring a new trend in the world of communication industry. The ability of online media to distribute news faster, interactively, and right then and there. It is considered mass media as the right condition to expand the reader network and importantly enough to foster loyalty between print and online media. Graphic design is a form of visual communication that uses image to convey information, while product design is the creativity in solving problems with clear targets by involving design. Ideas that must be realized and have high aesthetic value. Product designers strive to use empathy and knowledge of their potential customer habits, behaviors, needs, and desires. So the design on the product is also called an idea and human creation that has value benefits and added value for the wider audience. Okay, I will return it to the moderator.
Okay, that's all from our group who discussed the influence of visual design or graphic design on a product promotion. More or less sorry, right? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.